Hey guys, welcome to today's Vehicle Visionary. Today I'm at Holmes Honda and I'm sitting in a 2020 Honda Civic Si. And a lot of people have asked me in the past about wireless capabilities for connecting to Apple CarPlay. And I have a product right here called the CPLAY2Air that is supposed to allow you to do just that. And the main thing that you need here, of course, is that you have to have factory installed Apple CarPlay for this to work with your smartphone. So what exactly do you get? Here's what the box looks like. On the back are instructions for installation. It's actually very simple, and also instructions on the back of the box if you're having problems for troubleshooting as well. And here's what you have on the inside. You're going to have the instructions in the box right here. It's very simple to use. Like I say, the instructions are back here as well, but you also have a very simple to use manual right here. Let's turn that around the right way. Depending on where you're from, I guess will determine which side you use. But here is what the device itself looks like. We'll take that out of the box. Obviously, you're just going to plug that in the appropriate port in your vehicle. Of course, that's going to vary from one vehicle to the next, so you'll just have to know which is which. But let's see exactly how well this works, how easy it is to install, and also how well it reconnects once you get out of the car and come back a few hours later to go somewhere else. Okay, via the instructions, let's just do this in real time here. I'm not connected to Wi-Fi. Bluetooth is on. The CPLAY2Air right here, we're going to connect that in, and then we will start the process here. Make sure that everything is properly in place on your phone. And of course, from one vehicle to the next, it may take a little longer than others to get going here, but as you can see, there we are. So we're going to hit search. It's going to find my phone. We're going to let it run through the steps here. And then right down here, of course, you're going to need to find what you need to connect to. So I'm going to click down there and we're going to let it do its thing. Try and make sure you can see everything. We're going to hit use CarPlay right there. And like I say, it's going to vary from one vehicle to another on how quickly it connects, but there we go. We're connected. It was that easy to connect. So as you can see, there we go. We're going to go in right here and just show you that I have everything there as far as my phone goes, my contacts. Everything's very simple and very easy to use. Okay guys, the most common question I know I'm going to get, how long does it take the CPLAY2Air to reconnect once you hop out of your vehicle, do whatever you're going to do, go inside the house, whatever? Let's find out. So I'm going to turn the ignition off and I'm going to go as far as to actually get out of this Ram 1500. I've changed vehicles, so we're going to hit the lock button. It's locked. Going to unlock. We're going to hop back in. And I'm going to do this in real time just so that you can see how this works. I haven't done anything. Everything's still connected here. And as you can see, when I turned the ignition back on, it immediately came up. So that's actually a very good sign, but it's going to likely vary from maybe one vehicle to the next and the age of the infotainment system. And last, but most certainly not least, how much does the CPLAY2Air cost? $129.95. Do you already have one? If you do, what do you think about it? Do you plan to buy one? Let me know down in the comments. And if you would like to own this one that I used today in the video, leave a comment in this video, and here in a week and a half or so, I will use the random comment picker and we'll choose a winner, and somebody will wind up owning one of these for free. Got to say a special thanks to CPLAY2Air for sending this to me to demo in the video today, and thanks to all of you for taking the time to watch. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out another video that is on the screen right now, and I'll see you there.